Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening a browser and going straight to Translate. Google.com. Once there, set your target language and the source language, or use Detect Language if you don't know it. Type or paste your text into the left pane or click Documents to upload a file. Make sure your cursor is in the input box before pasting. You're doing this now to get an immediate translation. This direct approach skips unnecessary setup so you can see results fast. Once you have an initial translation, refine it by scanning the right pane for alternate word choices and click any word to see definitions or usage examples. Use the listen icon to hear pronunciation and follow along. This helps with tone and cadence. If you uploaded a document, confirm page breaks and formatting after translation. You can also use the microphone icon to speak, letting Google transcribe and translate in real time. These features help you improve accuracy and pick the most natural phrasing. To finish, copy the translated text or download the translated document and paste it into your editor or Google Docs for final edits. If you'll translate often, install Chrome's Translate extension for one-click access in any tab. Make sure to double-check names and technical terms manually. If something goes wrong, reload the page first, then clear your browser cache and confirm microphone or file permissions if voice or uploads fail. That troubleshooting step resolves most common issues quickly and keeps you moving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.